What's up, people? How you doing? I'm alright. Thanks for asking. Welcome on my YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to share with you one of my trading secrets on how I am able to catch very nice peeps or very nice entries on USDT each and every single day during New York session. Guys, I always say this thing: stop focusing on a lot of pairs, stop trading everything, stop having a junk of pairs on your watch list. Just have one pair. On my side, I only trade USDT. I'm not saying you should trade USDT, but you can choose any other pair that you like. And yeah, man, so I want to show you like how I was able to catch a very good trade today, guys, on USDT before the New York session. Even though I entered this trade, I was supposed to enter this trade during New York session, but I saw this opportunity that it would still play out even during New York session. So right now we're gonna go on the screen and I wanna show you how I was able to do this thing. Guys, if you replicate this same strategy on any other pay, it's gonna pay you. So make sure you have a pen and paper and take some notes when I say. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my guys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Otherwise, let's get into the video. All right, guys. So right now, I'm on my trading view. I just want to show you like how everything has played out. You can see where I entered the trade and how the trade typically moved to the upside. So I'll go step by step on how I was able to manage this trade to the point that I was able to close my entry somewhere around here, because I've already closed my trade because yeah, man, I had like made over 4%. So as you can see right now, I literally entered the trade somewhere around down here, and then the trade pushed all the way through and I closed exactly at this point, and I made, just on this single trade, I made 916 US dollars. Yeah, so we're on the screen right now. This is exactly where I closed. This is exactly where I saw, as you saw, on the MT4 and MT5, I mean. So yeah, this is how everything was done. And I want to show you like also the before of everything. So this was literally the before. You can see that the trade pushed down here, and we were able to enter also another trade somewhere around here, pushing down, and we made somewhere around 700 US dollars, and we closed below down here. Let me also just show you. We made 800 US dollars, which is this one right here, and that was yesterday, 2 April, and today, and we just also entered another trade right here, and we made 1,300 in total, guys. This is like the total trades that I've entered today, because that was like not the first trade of the day, trade. So I made 1,300 in total, like over 5% on a single day. So let's come back on the charts. Yeah, on the before. So this is actually my before everything. You know, the chart, the market pushed down and then came, broke structure, traded above here, and then went down. That's when we started the day. Market went into accumulation stage. Yeah, I can say accumulation stage. So I'm going to explain in detail what accumulation stage is all about. And after the accumulation, the market went in manipulation. After the market going in manipulation, and then the market went in distribution. I'll explain all that. Just stay on this channel and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So right now, let's go on the charts. You can see, guys, clearly where my stop losses was, and my take profit. Of course, this was just unrealistic, but don't worry about it. So now let's go on the charts. So this is literally on my charts, and I'm gonna take away everything that you are seeing on this chart, and we're gonna start again analyzing these charts. So removing everything, and remember, guys, I always go on a 4-hour time frame. Yeah, on a 4-hour time frame, I do the same things every single day. And right now, when I came on a 4-hour time frame, this is what I was seeing. I don't really like bother do a lot of stuff, 1, 2, 3, Shanshani. No, I'm just doing basic stuff close to my entry. So the first thing was just to mark up this area. Yeah, that's exactly where you saw where price was just where price rejected, where I closed at first. And then next day, this is my low right there. And then another area is simply this one, which is kind of also very important to me. And Another area is literally this area. Let's see if this connect. Yeah, I'll just but literally let me say, yeah, let me put it that right there. So this is exactly what I'm having right now. And after this, I went on. I don't really bother, guys, like moving from a 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes, five what? No, man, no, man. Like as soon as I've seen the market on a 4 hour time frame, I'm seeing it, okay, fine. The market has a potential of pushing to the upside after coming in this area, since we're having some sort of rejection right here. Where price had to trade a little bit, create some liquidity, and then grab on the downside, push to the upside. So exactly is what I'm also seeing right here. Price failed to trade below, and then now we're pushing to the upside. And this is like the opportunity for the day. So straight, I'll go on our 5 minute time frame. So after going on a 5 minute time frame, what am I looking at? I'm simply coming here to see what is happening. So you can actually see, guys, how I've moved. I've moved all the way from a 4 hour to a 5 minute time frame because we don't pray. We already know what we're looking for. Okay, so next thing, you can see my zone. That thing this thing is actually just aligning so well with where we're coming from. So next thing, I'm gonna bring my line down here. Yeah, I'm gonna bring this is like my origin at this moment, which is my lowest low. And next thing, I'm gonna also remove this thing. The good thing is that I've seen that, yeah, it's aligning so well, but I can also leave it right there. So let me just leave it so that you guys have to see like why we are having this thing right here. So this is my break of structure right there. Yeah, because yeah, man, price just traded below here and then broke structure, started trading above, and then come back. I'm like, oh, why is price doing that? But anyway, we'll find out. So price actually came up there, and when price was up there, we're also seeing that price before it went up there, it actually grabbed liquidity on the downside. So you can actually also see that price grabbed liquidity on the downside and then pushed up. So when this thing happens, guys, you have to ask yourself, like, why would price just push to trade below here and then continue pushing upside to the upside, So for me, I was like, logically, I think this is telling me that, okay, there must be liquidity listing down here. And on top of that, we're also seeing this inside high taken out. Guys, I'm telling you, you need to be taking notes what I'm teaching you because this is like treasure, right? I don't really share this kind of information on my YouTube channel often, but you should consider this as something that is very valuable. And if you, I'll know that I'll know that you're taking notes if you hit the like button and the subscribe button. So yeah, you can actually see right here where price is literally about to change direction, changing market structure, push to the upside. So when price does that, what am I going to consider in this scenario? When I look at my chart, I'm seeing everything has been balanced already, but I'm going to take advantage of what we call the breaker broke. So in this case, I'll consider this area as my breaker broke where I'll check it in the future to see how price will move down here. Price came back in this area, started creating what we call accumulation. Accumulation is simply like a lending market where price is just trading as if it doesn't want to go anywhere. All right. So in this case, let me not bother using this, but yeah, something like that. All right. So after price accumulating in this zone, you can see that we mentioned about price coming in this breaker block to trade below this area. Why? There must be some liquidity listing in this area. I mean, some demand listing in this area. That is why price is coming there. But this is a very good indicator for us to say, okay, fine. If price has come here, and then if price has come here, definitely we need to, okay, so before I come down here, I want to show you like what this accumulation is actually doing. You can see like price is accumulating, and on this same accumulation, price is creating relatively equal highs and equal lows. And after price accumulating, what happens? Like you have to know that price will have to go into three phases, which is A, M, D. right? AMD, which is manipulation, which is accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. So after accumulation, price went on distribution. Let me be also put in some relation. And after accumulation, next thing is what we call is manipulation. So manipulation is simply a time where price will trick people to think it's a buy or it's a sell. Like you can see right here, price is simply coming down here to grab all the liquidity that was listing below here for the people who are we're actually buying and selling in this zone. And as soon as price does that, it went straight up and took out all the liquidity that was listing above here. And then that was like being manipulative, market being manipulative. After doing all that, you always have to ask yourself, like every time there's manipulation, they are what we call sponsored candles. So the beginning of sponsored candles was actually right here that pushed down to grab liquidity on the downside. And those are the areas that we need to consider to take our next trade. So I won't lie, guys, when I was seeing this thing, when I was monitoring this trend, I ended up like the market ended up leaving me because I was hoping the market would come and feel this FVG, right? I was hoping this market would come, feel this FVG since we had like long candles. But before I knew it, the market had left me, had pushed to the upside. But little did I know, I already knew what I was supposed to do. So I had to jump on the trade immediately because I already knew what I wanted. So this is what I did. And my stop loss was just below here. And the market started pushing so nicely, pushing to the upside, went up again, came down, went up. It was crazy. Guys were like, is this market gonna move? But came 1640, I mean 16, yeah, 1600, market just shoot to the upside like so crazy. Boom. The market went up and I was like, yo, this is really amazing. I had made like 4% on a single trade. And when I was closing, I was already closing on 0. I closed on 4%, somewhere around 4%. But then in total, like for today, I entered 3 trades. This is like my total lot sizes, and this is what I made. So this is crazy, guys. Like, this was literally the before of everything. You can see that after accumulation, I mean, after the manipulation, when manipulation finished, and then we had distribution. So distribution is something that is happening right here where price just picks a direction and go into that single direction. So this is called distribution. All right, guys. So this is simply like my analysis for today. And I'm really curious to see how far this market would go. But for today, I'm done. It's really like very huge. And um, I'm always targeting like 2 to 3% every single day. But today I've just literally made 5% on a single movement, which is like not a single movement, but yeah, yeah, let's say single pay. Sounds nice. So this is literally something I was able to do, and I was looking forward to close somewhere around yeah. Hey guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and this is really like my deepest trading secret that I use on a daily basis. If you're able to do this and follow through the steps that I've shared with you, you're gonna be able to catch very nice moves, nice peeps each and every single day. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Otherwise, let's meet in the next video and go practice. Peace out.